I was sent this Tallow Honey Balm, and I'm going to use it on my face and also my arm. I find this is great as a full body moisturizing cream. I really like using it on my knees especially. That's kind of where I tend to have the most dry skin. Let me show you what it has inside. So it is 100% grass-fed beef tallow, and then it has organic olive oil, and then it has essential oils and raw honey. So very minimal ingredients. This is what it looks like. Kind of looks like whipped butter, very bright, bright yellow, and it's exceptionally thick. So very, very thick consistency right there. And a little does go a long way. So when you use this on your face, it does rub in very easily, but a little does go a long way. So if you do have dry skin on your face, this really locks the moisture in, which is really nice. It has a very pleasant smell, I think, from the honey. It just has like a nice, kind of like a sweet smell to it. And tallow is just really, really popular right now in skincare. So a lot of good benefits from using tallow on your face. And of course, as I said earlier, I love using it on my body. So here is just my arm for an example. Just a great moisturizing cream that you can use all over your whole body. And it really makes your skin feel so, so soft and so incredibly hydrated. So you can just see that difference right there. And it smells great. So loving this stuff. I love that you can use one jar all over, and it's a nice glass jar. And I think you're gonna love this as well.